So now we have to ask ourselves, what is Jewish about Jewish folklore? From a comparative folklore perspective, we can observe several aspects of Jewish folklore that, if not unique to Jews, certainly put them in a category with few others. One is the depth of Jewish history. One can speak of Jewish folklore in biblical, post-biblical, Talmudic times, in the Middle Ages, and in the modern era. That covers more than 3,000 years, and not many other cultures can claim such continuity. We could, for example, follow the evolution of the Jewish belief in Lilith, the female demon, from the time of the prophets in the 6th and 7th century BC, through the Talmudic period from 3rd to 6th century AD, to her continued presence in birth amulets that one can buy in any Hasidic bookstore today in Brooklyn. A second distinctive aspect of Jewish folklore is the fact that we've been a diaspora people for 2,000 years and continue to have diasporic communities around the world. We've been dispersed, and it has become difficult to speak of one Jewish folk culture. For example, for Ashkenazic Jews, the color red drives away the evil eye, the Ein Hora. But for Middle Eastern Jews, it is the color blue. So when we speak of Jewish folklore, we have to be aware of sometimes small and sometimes large differences among groups. Jewish religious practices connect Jews of all communities on some level, but folklore can as well. For example, according to folklorist Dov Noy, the most popular hero in Jewish folktales is Elijah the prophet, Eliyahu Hanavi. Ashkenazic, Sephardic, Middle Eastern Jews all share legends about Elijah, the stranger who will miraculously help you if you treat him right.